Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PixelFlow. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of PixelFlow and you will enter here in this page. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. After that you will click on Play Store. You will search about PixelFlow. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.